Hey guys, so today we are making banana bread. You are going to need a box of Trader Joe's banana mix, 2 large eggs, let's see, 1/3 of a cup of any oil you choose. I'm using olive oil for this, but you can choose anything like canola oil or anything else you choose. And 3/4 of a cup of water. So we're first going to heat the oven to 350. And I'm going to do that right now. And you're just going to probably hit the bake button and click start. Okay, now that that's getting warmed up, we are going to start by, in a medium bowl, whisking the eggs, oil, and water. So, let's get your eggs in a bowl, of course. And your water, which I will get and be right back. Okay. And your 1/3 of a cup of oil. It takes a little while to get it out because it has this tiny nozzle. So you're just gonna wait for it to get off the line. Okay. Once it's the line, you pour in and whisk. And you're just gonna whisk this until it is one full. There is no oil separating between. There's no separation of water and oil, and everything is blended smoothly. You're then going to add the dry ingredients and mix it with the wet ingredients. Takes a little bit of work to get it in, but I think you get the simple idea. And just mix that. And you're gonna just keep mixing this until there's only a few dry specks left. But you don't want it to be chunky or have different areas with wet ingredients and dry ingredients separated. So you're just gonna make sure everything is blended to a point where you can't really tell where the liquid ingredients are in the dryer. Then we are going to get our oiled loaf pan and just put it in there. After that, we will put it in the oven for 40 minutes until it is dark or golden brown and firm to the touch. So let's get started on that. I'm going to oil the pan first by adding some oil into it and just kind of spreading it around so that it looks kind of like this. Make sure there's lots of oils in the corner because that's where most of the banana bread will try to stick to. So make sure you get every spot with oil. And now, you simply pour it into the pan. Probably should have used a spatula or something, but a little too late for that. And you're just gonna clean out this bowl. Try to make sure there is nothing left in it. That's it. Have a fun time baking and be sure to come back for more fantastic treats. Bye guys, thank you.